In the world of digital assets, patterns matter. Some are born of technology, others from psychology, and still others from the rhythms of traditional finance. And one of the most persistent patterns in crypto is tied to the calendar itself. Traders have a nickname for it, Uptober. Every September, crypto tends to bleed. It's almost ritual. Tax selling, summer slowdowns, institutional repositioning, they all weigh down on prices. In 2025, September once again lived up to its cursed reputation. Bitcoin stumbled more than 11%. Ethereum barely held the $4,000 line, and nearly $300 billion in market value was erased in weeks. Headlines screamed collapse. Fear rippled across social feeds. And yet seasoned traders knew the story wasn't over, because historically, when the dust of September settles, October brings the turnaround. Look back at Bitcoin's track record. In 2017, October kicked off the run that carried BTC from $4,000 to $20,000 in just 3 months. In 2020, October's rally ignited the bull market that would push Bitcoin to new all-time highs the following year. Even in 2021, when the world was still reckoning with pandemic shocks, October delivered more than 40% gains in Bitcoin's price. Traders coined the term Uptober because history kept rhyming. Out of the last 10 years, Bitcoin closed green in October 7 times. And when Bitcoin rallies, the rest of the market usually follows. Why does this month carry so much weight? Part of the answer lies in Wall Street. September is historically the worst month for equities, not just crypto. Portfolio managers tend to reduce risk, harvest tax losses, and close positions. But once the calendar flips, those same institutions reposition for year-end performance. October is when new money flows in, when portfolios are rebalanced, and when markets shake off the summer malaise. Crypto, now deeply tied to macro flows, benefits from that seasonal reset. There's also the narrative effect. By October, the year's storylines are clearer. In 2025, those narratives include the rise of regulated stablecoins, new crypto ETFs tied to assets like XRP and Dogecoin, and technology breakthroughs like Google's Agent Payments protocol. When mainstream headlines shift from fear to innovation, sentiment follows. And sentiment in crypto has a way of accelerating price action far faster than in traditional markets. Another factor is momentum itself. Traders who sold in September often sit in cash waiting for an entry. If Bitcoin bounces in early October, sidelined money rushes back in, creating a feedback loop. The same applies to altcoins. Ethereum has a history of outperforming after Bitcoin steadies, and smaller caps often experience explosive rallies once liquidity starts to flow. Uptober, in this sense, is less about superstition and more about a recurring chain reaction. But no pattern is perfect. October 2018 and October 2019 both broke the trend, delivering weak or negative returns as broader market conditions overwhelmed seasonal optimism. And in 2025, risks remain. A potential U.S. government shutdown could unsettle both equities and crypto. Stablecoin regulations are still in flux, and institutional flows, while powerful, are not guaranteed. Uptober is a probability, not a promise. Yet the deeper story is resilience. Crypto thrives on cycles of fear and hope, of capitulation and revival. September tests conviction, October rewards patience. The phrase Uptober isn't just a meme. It's a reflection of how markets breathe. Pain first, growth second, red before green. This October, all eyes will be on whether Bitcoin can reclaim lost ground, whether Ethereum can cement $4,000 as support, and whether whales and institutions will seize the moment to re-enter. Traders will watch altcoin unlocks like SUI and Eigenlayer, knowing volatility cuts both ways. And they'll keep an eye on regulators who are increasingly shaping the rails of adoption. The lesson is clear. Don't mistake September's storm for the end of the journey. Uptober is the season when crypto often reminds the world why it refuses to die. It's when the builder's work begins to shine through, when innovation pushes back against fear, and when markets prepare for the fireworks of Q4. So whether Uptober delivers fireworks in 2025 or not, the rhythm remains. Crypto's story is one of resilience, of cycles that test belief but reward vision. And October, time and again, has proven to be the month when resilience turns into revival. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to LTL Productions for more deep dives into the future of crypto, the Internet of Value, and the stories the mainstream won't tell you. Hit that bell so you never miss an episode, because Uptober may just be the spark for the next great rally.